everyone, it's Linda. Today I want to share with you guys some of my favorite products that I received in my Ipsy bags in 2018. And I received a number of nail polishes from a company called Pretty Woman. I have 3 of them here. And I find these nail polishes wear wonderfully. I've really been enjoying them. And another nail polish that I've really been enjoying that I received from my Ipsy bag is from a company called Sundays. And I probably shared most of these things in my Ipsy reviews, but this is also a really clean nail polish and it has been wearing wonderfully. I've been wearing all these throughout the season. And another product that's very clean is from a company called, and I hope I'm pronouncing it properly, called Tinct. And I've worn this a few times. It wears great. So those are the nail polishes that I've received that I've really enjoyed. These are all products that I've tried, that I've loved, and that I would buy or have bought. The next items are all brushes. And the first 2 are from a company called Luxie. And one is a double-ended brush. I use this quite a bit. And the number on it is 249. The next one is a blender. Number on it is 140. And this is a recent item that I've received. And it's a blender also from a company called Farah. And the number on it is 35E. And these have all been wonderful brushes. I also received this sample of the MAC Prep and Prime. I don't always use a primer, but I've used this a few times and I've enjoyed it. My next items are both eyeliners. The first one is from Ciate and it says it was a limited edition and it was called Starstruck. It's in black and I've been using this for months now. I'm not sure if it's full size or not. It didn't say in the description that came in the bag. If it's not full size and it's only a sample, there was definitely a lot in there. And the next one is from Aurora, and it is an espresso. It's a very fine tip, and it is called the Intensely Precise Eyeliner, and it is just that. My next 3 items are all mascaras. And the first one is from a company called Ico, and it's their Lash Alert. It comes in a little squeeze tube. And I have loved all 3 of these mascaras. It's kind of hard to pick a winner. The next one is the It's Superhero. Most of you probably have tried this one. I know it's a very popular mascara. Getting this sample was my first time trying it. And the last one is from Ciate, and it is their Wonder Wand mascara. If I had to pick a favorite from the 3, this one may be my favorite, but I absolutely loved all 3 of these. And I also received a sample of the it's not sharp, it's Tarte. A sample of the Tarte Shape Tape. And, you know, I've heard a lot of people say this is very drying. Now, I've been using it sparingly, and I've been okay with it. I enjoy it. I may or may not buy it. I think that the Maybelline Age Rewind is very close as far as performance. This is a thicker formula, but I think that you probably could get enough coverage from the Maybelline and it's not as heavy, but I do like this. And this one will come as no surprise to you guys as being a favorite of mine. And it's from Makeup Forever. It's their multi-use pencil. I have it in the color Wherever Walnut. And they say it can be used as an eyeliner, an eyeshadow, a lip liner, a contouring pencil. I only use it as a lip liner, but I love it and I will be buying it when this little sample runs out. This is a long wearing lipstick from Smashbox. It's called Always On, and it's in the color Babe Alert, and I'm actually wearing it today with a little bit of a gloss on top of it, and I've really been enjoying this. Now we're going to move on to eyeshadows, and I have really liked this little eyeshadow collection from Bang Beauty. It's their Smoky collection. These are the colors. They're beautiful. They make a nice smoky eye. My other one that I've really been enjoying is from the Balm and from their Meet Matte collection. This is from the palette Meet Matte Tremoni. And this color is called Matte Kumar, K-U-M-A-R. And it's this really pretty cranberry, I guess we'll call it. Not always great at identifying colors, but I do know that I like it and that I would buy it. Now the next bunch are a bunch of blushes that I've got. I got quite a few blushes this year, and we're going to start with the one from Bang, and the color is called Cheeky. It's a really pretty peachy color. My next one is from the Balm, and it's called Cabana Boy, and it's a pink with a slight peach undertone. It has a small amount of shimmer, but not too much, and I just love it. And this, for this small sample, I used this all summer, and I still have a lot left in there, so it doesn't take much of this blush. My next blush is from Pixi, and it's called Beach Rose. And the last one that's a favorite is from Pacifica. And this color is Wild Rose. I also received this finishing powder from Tarte, and it's called the Smooth Operator. It's a very fine milled powder. It's not cakey or heavy, and I've been enjoying that. Again, powder is not a product that I always use, but I find this one is light enough that it doesn't accentuate my wrinkles. I also enjoyed this cleanser from Murad. It's an AHA, BHA exfoliating cleanser, and this has been nice to help get off the dead skin when you're peeling. I received this texturizing spray from Orbi, and oh my goodness, this stuff smells so good. It's not cheap. I haven't purchased it yet, but I'm not ruling it out because it just smells heavenly. I love it. Another sample that I received and used every bit of it is from Cake Beauty, and it is their dry shampoo. Another product that I received, and I've been using it all summer long, is from Glow for the Cause, and it's a face lotion, and it smells, oh my goodness, it smells so good. And you can see I've used a lot of it, but there's still quite a bit in there. And last but not least is this cologne, Born Lovely, from Sarah Jessica Parker. I just love, as you've heard me say before, love clean scents. I don't like overpowering scents. I don't like fragrances that are too flowery or too strong. And this is just a lovely, light, clean, floral scent. Those are all things that I received in my Ipsy bag in 2018. They're all things that I've loved. They're things that I've either repurchased or definitely well repurchased at some point. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.